Welcome to video PMT 65, Probability Math Team, problem 65, dealing with consonants and vowels. So this is from the packet with the 80 math team questions. Here's the problem. You have 5 consonants, B, C, D, F, and G, and 3 vowels, A, E, and I. You want to form 6-letter words using letters from the provided list with no repetition. What is the probability that a randomly chosen word has a consonant as the first letter and has at least 2 vowels? So this problem's a little bit more challenging. Let's just try to do the best we can. Okay, so I've underlined some key things. They said at least 2 vowels, so I'm going to have 2 cases. A case with 2 vowels or a case with 3 vowels. So what I'm going to do is try to count the number of successful ways that can happen and then divide by the total possible ways and get my probability that way. All right, so really the essence of the problem is counting. So let's get to it. Let's just have our 2 cases. So here's my 2 vowel case or my 3 vowel case. All right, I'm a visual person. Let's put the 6 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, they said the first letter has to be a consonant. So you're a consonant. Then for the 2 vowel case, I could have 2 vowels, 3 consonants. I'll do the ordering later, so I'm just kind of doing these 3 steps. And then over here, again, the first step is to find a consonant. Then it said 3 vowels. And then this would be 2 consonants. Okay, so again, I'm going to step it up this way and then do the rearranging of these vowels and consonants later. Okay, so the number of ways of doing this, well, there's 5 consonants, so any of those 5 can go there. So I'll just put a 5 there. There's 3 vowels. Out of those 3 vowels, I want to choose 2 of them. So 3, choose 2. I want to have 3 consonants. I can't use the one I already used. So out of the 4 remaining, choose 3. Okay, so the number of ways of doing that step times the vowel step times the consonant step. Now what I've got to do is arrange those 5 letters. And here's where we've got the combination first, and then if I want to do the ordering, how many ways can I order 5 letters? 5 factorial ways. So with the ordering, I will get 5 times 3 choose 2 times 4 choose 3 times 5 factorial. Over here, the 3 vowel case. Again, there's 5 ways I can select a consonant here. I want to have 3 vowels. Out of the 3 vowels, choose all 3 of them. Of course, there's only one way, but just to show you the template. I want to have 2 consonants. Again, I can't repeat, so I can't use that consonant. Out of the 4 remaining consonants, choose 2. All right, then what I want to do, okay, so the number of ways of doing that step times the 3 vowel step times the 2 consonant step. Then what I want to do is arrange those last 5 letters, and again, there's 5 factorial ways to do that arrangement. So I'll say with ordering, it's going to be 5 times 3 choose 3 times 4 choose 2 times 5 factorial. So what I'm going to do is add the number of ways of doing this to the number of ways of doing that. And just to save time, I'll show you what I got. This one was 7,200. This one was 3,600. And the sum was 10,800. So I'll write that above. Okay, so that's the successful ways. Now I got to find the number of total ways. The number of total ways of just arranging all the letters, not worrying about anything. Let's see how many letters I have. I've got 8 letters, and I want to form 6-letter words. So the number of ways of arranging that, I'll just be visual. 8 ways of doing that stuff. 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3. Okay, so that's without any restraints or constrictions whatsoever. A quicker way of doing that would have been, out of 8 objects, find the permutations taken 6 at a time. So just to save time, I got 20,160 for that. Okay, now the probability is very simple. So the probability is the number of successful ways over the number of total ways. So it's going to be 10,800 over 20,160, which is about 15, which is exactly 15 over 28. And there you have it, how to solve a challenging math team problem involving combinations, permutations, factoring, adding, dealing with words involving consonants and vowels.